Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Dan here with you. Well, in today's vlog, I'm going to attempt to fix a puncture in my tire. As you can see here, there's a small nail that entered the tire. That's the nail. So first we need to remove the nail. So first we'll have to pry it out. So this is the nail that was stuck inside this tire. We got it out. So next I got the tire repairing kit from Super Cheap Auto. It was on clearance. It's just for $5. So I'll tell you what to do in the next step. So next step is to take this tool and insert it into this hole to make the hole wider and clean it as well. Should keep doing it for a while. So I got the hole a bit more wider. The next step is to take this sticky rubber fill. So sticky. Now feed this rubber strip through this hole. Make this rubber strip exactly half. Like so. Take this rubber cement, put the rubber cement on the strip like this. And immediately insert it into the hole. Don't go all the way in. Just like this. And pull it out immediately. Yeah, that's it. So this is how it would look inside the tire. Now you can cut the excess off. So I'm back from the tire shop, guys, and the tire repair was actually successful. There was no leaks. I checked it at the tire shop, and these are the Hankook Ventus RS3 tires. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys found it informative and useful. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel, and until next time, this is Dan signing out. Bye bye.